How to change your air filter in 5 quick and easy steps. Hey, I'm Tammy and this is Jeep Life with Jeep Momma, and this is going to be a quickie. I'm going to share with you in 5 quick and easy steps how to change your air filter. This is going to be a short, quick video because I know when I'm on the YouTube searching for how-tos, I don't want to sit through a 10-minute video. So I'm going to try to keep this super short. So here we go. Step 1, open up your hood. If you don't know how to do that, I suggest you go to Jiffy Lube and have this done. Step 2, this is where your air filter is housed, and there are 4 latches you need to unlatch here. Step 3, you need a 10mm ratchet to take out 2 hex bolts. Step 4, you need to pull out the tube that goes to your radiator. And step 5 is take out the old air filter and replace it with a new filter. Voila, you're done. And then to put everything all back, you just do everything in reverse. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share.